Hey everyone, so here's this app which is called BMI Calculator Weight Loss. So to install this app, just tap Get. And then confirm with your Touch ID or Face ID. The size is 20 megabytes. There are 430 ratings so far. So what is it? So with BMI calculator, you can calculate your body mass index to find your ideal weight. It's the ideal companion app for a weight loss program. So BMI calculation for every 7 years and older, metric and imperial systems are supported. So it doesn't matter, you can measure in centimeters, inches. So body mass index is defined as the body weight divided by the square of height. It provides a rough guide since BMI doesn't take into account the person's build or the compositions. So so let's try it out. So let's try to see how it works exactly. So, and then for example, if I weight this, and then I can just see what will be my normal weight in this category, either for male or female. It doesn't change a lot, but anyways, that's about it. That's the app. You will see either you're very severely underweight, normal overweight, obese class 2, obese class 3. So yeah, that's about it. You can remove ads, and then all ads with one-time purchase $0.99. But that's the app basically. So the idea, you need to keep be in the green area. Yeah. So and in the bottom I can see that normal weight would be like from 65 to 88 in my case. But anyways, you can just measure it. If you have any other suggestions or comments about this app, just leave it under this video.